YouTube? What is good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another video, and today I'm not yapping y'all heads off. I'm about to take Sydney to work right now, so I'm about to give y'all boys a little POV drive on the way. You know what I'm saying? Early morning little POV drive. Probably won't put the camera on my head though. I'll probably just let Sydney hold the camera for right now. Listen to that idle though. I'm not trying to yap y'all heads on, but we about to go on an early morning POV drive, man. But I'm just letting the car warm up for right now. If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, like I said, man, I don't got much to say. I just don't like saying too much in my intros. I feel like it's pointless nowadays. I be talking too much, bro. I'm gonna just give y'all a walk around the car, and then we finna get straight into this POV, bro. I can't wait till Impact to put my... I can't wait till Impact to put my V-style lip on, bro. Oh my days. Like I said, man, Sydney making some coffee right now. So when she get out, we gonna fuck up these back roads for y'all boys. I don't know, probably come straight home, bro. I'm tired as hell. I still gotta come home and get Bella and Kalani ready for the morning and shit. Know what I'm saying? It is 57 degrees out here. This is why my car is smoking right now. 57 in the summer. Look at that shit. I thought you had to leave for like 20 minutes.
No, I was going to bring this out.
What you got?
Yeah.
Straight or left?
Straight. Will you bring me a charger later if I need one? I said straight, but
Left?
okay.
Oh, straight. Imagine I have to go up that long ass driveway up there.
Hold on.
Why didn't you just go to Dunkin'?
Because I bought all the stuff at the store and I want to use it.
I gotta wipe these down. You know when you don't wipe buttons down, but then they get like sticky as fuck?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yeah.
Left.
Straight. Oh my gosh.
What you mean when, if you want? So you want... Yo,
That was
my
so
traction
fast.
felt weird as
I
fuck.
could feel it.
Cold tires. It's just cold as
I
fuck.
felt that in my belly.
You said that last time, man.
It's true.
They doing road work up there?
Pray to God they're not.
I was coming up this road the other day. The whole shit was packed. So I'm gonna let y'all know a little bit about myself, since there's probably some new people watching this, or some people that probably just don't know me at all, bro. But y'all see me on this channel, I go by F30 Reaper. My name is Jordan. I got 2 lovely daughters, Bella and Kalani. I was originally born in Jamaica, but then I came to America, probably like 8 years now. At first, when I came to America, I used to live in New York, and then I moved to Delaware, and then I moved back to Maine, and then I moved back to Delaware. I feel like I've been dropping too much videos instead of talking to y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? This is the quickest way I could put it without talking too much. But then I met Sydney, we had Bella and Kalani, and yeah man, it was up from there. Me and Sydney, we moved from Maine, then we moved to Delaware. And to be honest, that's where I met most of the people I make content with. You know what I'm saying? I met a lot of people in New York, Jersey, Philly, Delaware, all over the place, bro. So when y'all see me vlogging every day, this is really what I wanted to do. I done tried so many different careers. I used to stream a lot of Call of Duty, bro, back in like 2020, 2021. You know what I'm saying? If anybody in here used to play Verdansk or Rebirth Island, you know what I'm talking about, bro. But yeah man, we back in Maine now. Feel me? I moved from Delaware probably like a month ago, because listen to that turbo. Listen to that turbo, chat. Listen. It's not really much to know about me, bro. Like, I don't really be doing nothing crazy. I'm just trying to make content because I love making content. Listen to this turbo, chat. But yeah, bro, when y'all see me vlogging most of the times, bro, it's just cause like I really love making content, bro. Give y'all boys a little pull. Y'all see me get up and I'm vlogging, I'm dropping every day. I'm literally just pursuing my dreams. I gotta look at YouTube like a job. I'm not just doing this for fun. Yes, I'm doing it for fun. I love driving my car. I love meeting new people. But at the end of the day, this is what I want to do for a living. You know what I'm saying? For B58, man. Listen to this shit, chat. Let me give y'all boys a dig real quick. I ain't gave y'all a dig in a minute, bro. Can't give y'all a dig, bro. Give y'all a dick, bro. It's a car by me. Yeah, man. I just made it back to the crib. Feel what I'm saying? Hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog. boys enjoyed the vlog, man. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the way to 10K subs right now. We about to hit that shit by the end of the year, I feel like. Once I hit 10K on YouTube, bro, and all my platforms, until these motherfuckers start giving me my credits, bro, for all the vids I've been dropping, bro. For like a small creator, I dropped like 200 plus videos in a year. All that shit was good quality. I get to meet one stock. I get to make content with some of the biggest niggas in the tri-state, you could say. I feel like I made a name for myself, bro. And a lot of y'all people would know me by F30 Reaper because of the one yellow DRL and the one white crazier sounding B58. But yeah, man, like I said, hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog. Hit that like, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Bye.